Welcome. If you're looking to enable the option for Instagram to ask before using automatic picture-in-picture mode on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram has made it easier to control how videos pop out and play while you multitask. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can customize this setting in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and on the main page. At the top right corner, you'll notice 3 dots. These are your gateway to more options. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, find and select App Info. This will take you to a page with detailed information about the Instagram app installed on your device. Once you're there, look for the Settings option and click on it. This is where you can adjust various preferences and permissions for the app. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you see More Settings and Permissions. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll find a list of additional controls that help you manage how Instagram interacts with your system. Now, focus on the section labeled Automatic Picture-in-Picture. This feature allows Instagram videos to continue playing in a small window while you browse other apps or windows. To have more control, you'll want Instagram to ask for your permission each time before activating this mode. Next to Automatic Picture-in-Picture, you'll see a few options. Click on Ask. This setting ensures that whenever Instagram wants to launch a video in picture-in-picture mode, it will prompt you first, giving you the choice every time. And that's it. You've now set up Instagram to request your permission before using automatic picture-in-picture on your PC. This simple change puts you in control of your viewing experience and keeps distractions to a minimum. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need the same tip. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your personalized Instagram experience.